Yeah. Ah. And we'll get on to your side of the business now, and what you founded with Weevolve. If you want to let us know a little bit about what it is, why you started it, and how it helps people.
Yeah. So Weevolve, we are building a digital platform and athlete management ecosystem that, in a sense, uses data, public data, community source data, to enable athletes to make better career decisions compared to just simply relying on their agent or searching for answers on Google where they
Mm.
don't exist. We're now building the ecosystem where now we have a SaaS solution where we can bring in different stakeholders, bring in service providers, but also aggregate data and data from the community around contracts, team history, agent hiring history. And basically, our goal is to use artificial intelligence mixed with that human intelligence in order to automate and streamline the process of helping players when it comes to decision making around the contract, decision making around who do they work with when they need tax help or financial help or mental health help, whatever it might be. But also eventually having a non-biased um, partner that they can rely on for the things that they might have gaps in for their career management and lifestyle management. And in a sense, that's what we're building the digital platform for. And that's why we're finding strategic partners that also want to help us to execute upon that seamless plan. And so that's that. I started it because, hey, we've been on this podcast hearing different things, struggles, and that's why I
Yeah.
started it, because it didn't exist. It was no hit at agents. Agents have a job. Of course, I felt they were getting 10%. With that 10%, that should cover some stuff to help us, but it wasn't. Their time was limited, especially with boutique agencies. And so they just couldn't provide the full service that they claimed to provide. And that's where I felt there was an opportunity um, to really create something as AI, machine learning, etc. was growing. And
Mm.
that's why we created Weevolve.